Hey, tell me, oh my gosh, the big deal. So something happened online yesterday, and I got caught up in all of this, drama. So apparently, Mama Isabod had posted a video of ASHABI official, the actress, and claimed that she was Dua TV. So everybody was confused because I saw that it was a clip from the recap of Folosho Adiola's 40 video that I did and posted that was shared. So in my mind, I'm just like, why is it a clip from my own video that was posted? She has so many pictures of herself online, and I didn't think much of it until.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa arákùnrin tí a mọ̀ òṣèrékùnrin tí a mọ̀ tí ó ń jẹ́ Irish the big deal ó di jáde ó wá sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí ó ń lọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìjà tó ń lọ lẹ́ẹ̀rin Àṣàbí Yétúndé Àṣàbí àti Mama Esabod bí Mama Esabod sì sọ wípé Yétúndé Àṣàbí òun ló ní Bua TV. Arákùnrin yìí ó ti jáde wá clear ẹ̀ o nípa bí ọ̀rọ̀ náà bí ó ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. ẹ̀yin wa ọ̀pọ̀rọ̀ kágbọ́n ẹ jẹ́ ká gbádùn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí.
So later, when she now posted with my voice, and I saw that I called ASHABI Dua TV. That's not what I said in the video. Every single person that has watched that video heard clearly that I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. And that's because ASHABI Official exclusively uploads all her films to Libra TV YouTube channel. It's just the same way you'd see Kamo state and say Gbogbo Funke Adele Network ò ní bàjẹ́. You'd see Ifeoluwa and say Gbogbo Tony Abraham series ò ní bàjẹ́. You'd see people that are, you see Tunde Adeyemi and say Gbogbo OAFP ò ní bàjẹ́. You understand my point? So because she's usually uploading her films to Libra TV, that's the reason I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Now I understand that maybe because the accusers are like of age and whatnot, but when you want to accuse someone or something, we should find out very well if these things are true. I didn't call her Dua TV. I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. Please, general public, take note. I don't know, and what is painful about this is that everybody that has heard that, oh, ASHABI's Dua TV, blah blah blah, not all of them would later see this video and whatnot. And someone even was saying on my page, oh, Irish, be careful what you say about your colleagues in your blog, clock it. Oh, sure, tell you book of clock. Because you know every other person was in the comments saying, oh, Irish sell Libra TV, he sell Libra TV, he sell Libra TV. Then he say, mind what you say, extra and folk, mind yourself. So please, general public, ASHABI Official, I didn't even refer to her as Dua TV. I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́. I hope and I genuinely pray that this video puts an end to all of this social media drama, because I do not want to be caught in any of this. If I want drama, I want it to be drama that will favor me, drama that I will benefit from. And as it is, this drama cannot even favor me, and it's not even a genuine drama. Please, 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 and please, anyone that is close to Mama Esabod should let us see the video that I said Gbogbo Libra TV ò ní bàjẹ́, not Dua TV. And whoever sent that video to her, I don't know why my watermark was cancelled. My watermark was on that video at Irish the big day for at events by Irish. Why was my watermark cancelled? Why, if you are going to leave the video for my page to accuse someone, why take away my watermark? But that's not even the point. The entire point is that ASHABI Official is not Dua TV, and that's not what I called her. Anyways, I'm Irish the big deal. I cover events. I give beautiful recap of events. You can go and check my page on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Please book me to come and cover all of your events. Do not book me for February. We are fully booked for February. It's back-to-back events. But from March upwards, you can, send your bookings, okay? So, back on, I will send